Go to listingallcars.com now. Search from over 4 million cars. Use your desktop, tablet, or smartphone. It's fast and friendly with no ads or distractions. Find classics, pre-owned, and new cars all on listingallcars.com.
Hey, Kevin Harrington here, original shark from Shark Tank. There's nothing better on a hot day than a nice cold drink. But how do you keep them that way? Here's help from the Ice Polar.
Camping or boating on a hot day? Keep cool and hydrated with your favorite drink. But how do you keep them cold for a whole weekend? Ice is messy and takes up precious cooler space. What if you could freeze some of the cans to keep the others cold? Freeze your cans with the Ice Polar, made in the USA. Freeze standard 12-ounce beverage cans without fear of them leaking or exploding. Ice Polar is designed to let the cans stand. Then it serves as a holder, with a few frozen cans chilling the rest. You can fill your cooler with 20% more of your favorite beverages. Get your Ice Bullets today, only $9.99 each. There are 5 colors to choose from. Plus, during the special TV offer, buy one and get a second one of the same color for free. Only at icebullet.com with promo code ASONTV free. Keep stocked and loaded with Ice Bullet.
Yeah.
This quote is still at stake. I'm out of time. I've been out of time. Will the captain's log change course?
Yeah.
All we know is where they were. They're not here now.
All new Deadliest Catch, Tuesday at 9 on Discovery. I can't believe I'm finally here. Annie in a place where Gordon spent time himself. Gordon led me right to a Columbus shipwreck. Cooper's Treasure, all new, Tuesday at 10 on Discovery.
Ooh.